Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tutorial how to merge line. In here I will create new drawing and as example I will draw lines with a line command. I will draw like this for lines, and you can see if you select this object it will be automatically separate between all lines object. So if you want to merge this all lines object you can use a join command. You can tap join, press enter, and then select all lines, enter again, so it will be automatically merge all lines objects. Okay, you can create lines in here like this, and I will merge only 3 of this line object. You can use a join command, and I will select these 3 lines, press enter, so it will be automatically connect between these 3 lines objects. Okay, that's it. So to merge line in AutoCAD, and if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.